guys, welcome back to my channel for a quick Walgreen video. Thanks for joining me once again, and I hope everyone is having a wonderful week. My store wasn't very well stocked, so most of the deals I was planning to do, I wasn't able to do them. But this quick video turned out a $3 money maker using 2 spend boosters. Let's go check it out. The first deal I picked up is the spend 20 get $10 register reward on Shea Moisture product. I'll pick up 2 of the bar soaps. They're on sale for $6 each. And I'll also pick up the massage oil on sale for $11. These 3 will total $23. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the bar soaps. And for the massage oil, we have a $3 digital coupon. That will drop it down to $17, and I'll get $10 register reward back, making all 3 items just $7 or $2.30 each. The next deal is on Colgate toothpaste. They're on sale for $4.50, and when you buy 2, you get back $4 register reward. I'm going to pick up 2 of the Colgate Optic Whites, and these 2 items are going to total $9. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $6, and I'll get $4 register reward back, making both just $2 or $1 each. I'll use 2 spend boosters. One is a $7 Walgreen cashback when I spend $30. That's a digital booster. And the paper booster I have, I'm sorry I don't have the picture, is spend $25 and get $5 Walgreen cash. This is what my transaction will look like, and the total for all these products is $32. I have $9 in coupon. That will drop it down to $23. I'll plan on using some of my register reward, and I'll pay the rest out of pocket. I'm going to go check out and we'll go over my receipt. This is one of my easiest checkout and very quick as well. It went very well. My 3 digital coupons came up. That's the 3 off 2 for the Colgate toothpaste, the 3 off 2 for the bar soaps, and the last $3 is for the massage oil. I used $20 in register reward, paid $3 plus tax out of pocket, and I got back $10 for the spend 20 get $10 register reward back, and the $4 back for the Colgate. And for my spend boosters, I got back $12. That's $7 for the spend 30 and a $5 for the spend 25. This transaction ended up being free and a $3 money maker. This concludes my video today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.